Let's learn how to add fractions with different denominators. Our example will be 5/8 plus 9/16. Before we can add fractions, they need to have the same denominator. Looking at our denominators, we have 8 and 16. Notice that 16 is a multiple of 8. In fact, 16 is 2 times 8. This means we can use 16 as our common denominator. To convert 5/8 to an equivalent fraction with denominator 16, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. This gives us 10/16. Remember, when we multiply both top and bottom by the same number, we're creating an equivalent fraction. Now we can rewrite our problem with the converted fraction. Both fractions now have the same denominator of 16, so we can add them. When adding fractions with the same denominator, we add the numerators and keep the same denominator. 10 plus 9 equals 19, so our answer is 19/16. Let's verify this visually. Here's a grid of 16 squares. The first fraction, 10/16, covers 10 squares. The second fraction, 9/16, covers 9 more squares. Together, they cover 19 squares out of 16, or 19/16. To summarize, when adding fractions with different denominators, first find a common denominator, then convert fractions to equivalent fractions with that denominator, and finally add the numerators while keeping the common denominator.